Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of the earphones is not reliable. So firstly, open the application, scroll down and check if you have the last version of it. You can also click here and see I have the last one. If you haven't, just install a new version and maybe it fixed. Now the second option is to place your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. Now you should wait about 15 seconds and then the battery level of the earphones will update it. So after 15 seconds, just open it and now go to the application and check it. Of course it should be connecting. And check your battery level here. So did we have connection? Yeah, so check it after. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.